Hi, I'm Junjun. Today we're going to make no-bake oatmeal cookies for Christmas. Or I should say, no-bake Bailey's peanut butter oatmeal cookies. That's right, I'm going to use Bailey's Irish cream and crunchy peanut butter to make these delicious oatmeal cookies. Let's talk about ingredients first. This is no-bake Bailey's peanut butter oatmeal cookie. I'm using original Bailey's Irish cream and extra crunchy peanut butter. If you don't like the crunchy peanut butter, you can use a creamy peanut butter. In this recipe, I'm using a cup of this crunchy peanut butter. If you are using creamy peanut butter, half cup should be enough. I'm using 3 cups of quick cooking oats that reduce a chewier cookie, and 2 cups of the granulated sugar, half cup of unsalted butter, a teaspoon vanilla extract. So we're gonna use half cup of Irish cream in this recipe, a cup of crunchy peanut butter. We're gonna need a non-stick pan with half cup of butter in it, half cup of Bailey's sugar. Now we're gonna cook this on medium heat. Around 3 minutes, you will see a full boil of bubbles in the middle. Now we're gonna set our timer for 2 minutes. Keep cooking this sauce for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we're gonna turn off the heat and remove the pot from the heat immediately. Now I'm going to add in this crunchy peanut butter and a teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix them together. I love those chunky peanuts in the sauce. After the sauce mixed well, now we can add 3 cups of the quick cooking oats. Mix the oats and the sauce together. Then use a cookie scoop to dollop the mixture onto the parchment paper. You can use your hand, flatten the cookie a little bit, make it look like a cookie shape. Alright, I try my best to flatten them into more of a cookie-like shape. This single batch of no-bake cookies, I made about 28 cookies, depending on how large you make them. And then all we have to do is wait for them to harden, which should take about 30 minutes on the counter. Alrighty, after 30 minutes, these cookies are set and chilled. I can smell the peanut butter and Irish cream. Check this out. Can you see these chunky peanuts from the chunky peanut butter? I love it. Let me break into it. Oh, look at that. I'll taste this for you. It is chewy, soft, sweet, buttery. The peanut butter Irish cream tastes incredible. It's amazing. Try to make these no-bake Bailey's peanut butter oatmeal cookies at home. It is so easy to make and it is delicious. Alright, thank you for watching today's video. Please like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye!